determined bee-eaters have flown hundreds of miles from the rainforests of the Congo. Arriving at the peak of the dry season, when steep sandbanks are exposed by the falling water. They're a perfect place to nest, out of reach of predators from above. Bee-eater burrows can extend for 2 meters into the soft river sand. Already home to 6,000 nests, real estate at Bee-eater Towers is in high demand. But it pays not to build too close to the neighbours. In the sudden commotion, they're vulnerable from below and above. The eagle's strategy is to pin their prey against the riverbank. With the colony in disarray, the predators have the advantage.